It's really important that our LIFEquake peatland restoration project offers opportunity for volunteers to be a part of the conservation actions that we're delivering. Yn croesawu bobl o fewn cyfoeth naturiol Cymru un diwrnodau Balsam bash blynyddol a hynod boblogaidd.
Colleagues from different parts of the organisation who've come in to take advantage of our volunteer days. Every member of staff is entitled to 2 days green leave or volunteer tasks per year, and what better way of doing that than getting out and actually achieving something, giving something back to the environment.
Dwywaith o flwyddyn I unrhyw le mwyn lles nid yn unig ni ac yn iechyd meddwl ni, ond hefyd lles y tir dyn ni'n byw ynddi. A heddi ma, fi yn Crumlin Bog.
This is really, really important, coming out, spending time together, doing things like this, having some fun. Work should be fun at times, it really should.
It's great to be out, especially on a day like this, and just get stuck in and help the environment in Wales.
I work in flood risk analysis southeast, so we go out on site sometimes, but it's mainly desk-based behind a computer on a screen, so it's nice just to get out in the environment and learn about the habitats that are here, and yeah, it's been really interesting.
Mae'r cyfleon yma ar gael I ni gael dod at ein gilydd, felly dwi'n rili gwerthfawrogi beth ydych chi wedi gwneud heddiw, a sut allan ni ddysgu'r gwers yma I ni gael wneud mwy o'r peth yma, dod at ein gilydd fel tîm, dod at ein gilydd fel sefydliad, fel corff, I ni gael mwy o effaith ar yr ymgylchedd, adeiladu'r perthys yna, a hefyd jyst I gael diwrnod da allan yn yr awyr agored.
And we're thinking about our values, yeah, so connected, caring, bold, resourceful. And I think it's really important to connect so we can be caring, but also so we can be bold and resourceful. And if you look at our wellbeing objectives, we really do need to be bold and resourceful in the way that we operate. But by connecting, we can have the confidence to be bold and to be resourceful.
I'm here with my team, which is really good. So you can see beautiful weather, great day for being outside, getting everybody together, making those connections with other people we've never met before.
Fi just mor diolchgar I NRW, C am roed y cyfle ma I fi. Diolch guys, really.
Gair o diolchen fawr iawn I pawb sydd wedi dod allan I ymuno â ni a diwrnodau gwirfoddoli hyd yn hyn. Edrychwn ymlaen at weld llawer mwy ohonoch chi flwyddyn nesaf. And hopefully seeing other parts of the organisation following our example, organising volunteer activity like this, bringing folk together and delivering these meaningful outcomes. People and nature thriving together.